Well, it looks like the next step in this is now the sockets. We're only socketing the microcontroller and the EEPROM. They recommend directly soldering in all the other chips. So we'll get those sockets in place. I don't know if I can get this into a position to attempt to hold that. I guess I can. We'll just solder the two outer pins. And then push it up flush manually. Why did that feel like it moved? And we've got what is obviously the EEPROM socket over here. Having all these tall capacitors in place here is making this rather interesting. Oh, wait, it's on. Okay, with the sockets in, let me check them off. We move on to the crystal. There's no copper or anything on the top of the board here for it to short down onto, so we can just drop it straight in. Oh, interesting, it doesn't want to. Here's the pin spacing. Okay, that's interesting. The pin spacing is not the same as the crystal, so it doesn't just drop down into place, but that's fine. I know the dip switch goes on the bottom of the board. I do believe they mean this right here. So let's see, least significant is down here on the bottom, and that's on switch 1. So I think that makes sense. This is going to be interesting to solder from this side. Okay, that gets the dip switch.